Hello.
Bonjour, bienvenue dans Trevo BioLife Santé. Aujourd'hui, nous allons vous présenter de façon brève quelques produits de santé. Je suis accompagné de notre présentateur national, Monsieur Djinkadilios, qui va essayer également de nous présenter le produit Trevo et quelques autres produits. Et nous vous prions, si vous avez des questions, de nous poser en inbox. Nous allons vous répondre sur nos différents produits que Trevo a actuellement sur le marché. Alors, bonjour, Mr. Dilios.
Good morning, Mr. Aiga. Hello, everybody. Good morning. I want to thank you. I want to thank you for the opportunity of giving me to be on this broadcast. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, it's another day, it's another opportunity. We really want to appreciate you. We want to thank God for your life. We want to thank you for everything. But one thing we want you to know is that your health is our priority. So we focus on your health. When you are fine, we are fine. That is why we are here to talk to you about health. We focus on wellness because our focus is wellness. We love to see you living a life of wellness. So today we are going to brief you on some of our unique products that our company, BioLife, that is in partner with the Trevo company, has placed at our disposal here in Yaoundé, Cameroon, precisely at Rond-Point Express opposite the Fueli station. So I will begin by talking to you this morning about FP3. What is FP3? FP3 is a unique product that has been formulated and made uniquely for female to fight against sexual organs. Are you a woman? Are you experiencing low libido? Are you unable to feel, to have the anxiety? Are you unable to satisfy your husband on bed? Here we are to talk to you about FP3. FP3 is uniquely consumed by women and was constructed uniquely for women for this purpose. Are you a woman that you have been seeking for the fruit of the womb for so long and you have not been able to conceive? And each time that you take in, you realize that nothing is happening. It's because the reproductive system is having something or a failure. There might be a connection somewhere, but the power of FP3 is to bring restoration to that particular problem you have been facing. Are you a woman and in your matrimonial home nothing is moving? Your wife say you're unable to satisfy him. Your wife say you can't resist him. Listen to me. I want to also introduce to you, ladies and gentlemen, that as your wife is taking this FP3, you, the man, we have made it possible for you to be taking the RP3. What is RP3? As we have the FP3, we also have the RP3. The RP3 is uniquely for men, while the FP3 is uniquely for women. The RP3 fight against low sperm count, prostate cancer, weak libido, lack of resistance. When you realize that your sperm is low, is very, it's like liquid, it's not raw, you just know that something is actually wrong with you, and what you need now is to make your sperm to be thick, and when it becomes thick, that is when you know that you are good. So if you are having a liquid, a sperm that is liquid, it's an indication that you are sick. Many people are sick, but they don't know. That's why you begin to explain you're unable to even last on your partner for even 5 minutes. When you're on how within 3 minutes, it is over. 5 minutes, it is over. But when you begin to take this product RP3, you are a man listening to me, no hesitation. Don't wait any longer. When you begin to take this product, it begins to work in your system in the next 2 hours. When you take 2 capsules in the next 2 hours, you begin to experience changes in your organism. That is what this product is meant for. Are you a man that is suffering from prostate cancer? I'm here to tell you that the solution is right here, the RP3. RP3 does not come to lower it. It comes to treat the prostate cancer. That's why it starts alone. It is unique in its kind. You won't see it anywhere else. And I want to reassure you, ladies and gentlemen, that all these products we are presenting to you today are 100% natural. They don't have any side effect. That is why it's very important. So I will go to the next product, which is what they shape. We have shape. Wow, this is for women especially. Do you have big stomach? You want it to grow down? Oh, are you somebody that is, in fact, when you sit down and realize you are just sweating because there's too much fat in you? So, what is the purpose of shape? Shape has been made available for you to help burn that fat that is in your organism, to help destroy that fat that is trying to wear you down. You realize there are many people, they always cry on legs. They say their legs are paining. The problem actually is not leg, it's the fat that is in the body. It's too heavy, the legs, the knees can't take them. That's why it begin to affect your knee, and before you know it, they will say, no, you have too much water, you have this on your leg, you have this, or you have that. That's because of too much weight. So the shape has become, it's very, very effective, and you see like that. If you want to lose weight, you are obese, and you want to reduce your weight, we recommend to you this product, this shape. It is time for you to shape your weight. Look like me. Can you see? You should look like me. Because I take this, we are the product of the product. So we take and we experience the manifestation before we recommend to others. So we are the product. The next product I want to talk to you now is Shield. This one is properly for mosquitoes. You know, in Africa, we are dealing with mosquitoes so much, and that's what's giving us malaria and all the rest. So the sheep now has come just for us to help us regain what our balanced diet. Those effects, those secondary effects, those diseases that has been infected, has been given to us by the mosquito. You know, many sicks has been done through blood transfusion, and mosquito is the highest thing that transmits sickness. Because a mosquito will come and bite me, and the next second he will go and bite my neighbor. You don't know the sick that I have in me, but he has bite him, he has also transferred that sickness to him. That is why we recommend this shield. So wherever you are, ladies and gentlemen, I just want to encourage you that you have to make a little step and visit the head office where we started before. Not forgotten, our unique product, the one you already know, Treble. Many of us, we know Treble, we have tested Treble, we have seen the effectiveness of Treble. 174 powerful nutritional ingredients in one single bottle. I don't need to talk more or deliberate more on this one. You know that it stands alone as a complete health system in one single bottle. So wherever you are, you need Treble. We don't know, it does not matter where you are. Distance is never a barrier. All you need to do is just hit our inbox right now and tell us the product you need, and we shall give you the procedure, and the product shall be at your doorstep in the next 48 hours. Wherever you are in the world, you just need to hit us or tell us, and you will have the product at your disposal. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for listening. Mr. Edgar, thank you for inviting me on this broadcast. Thank you so much, sir. I am grateful. I appreciate. Thank you.
Ok, thank you, Mr. Julius. Merci beaucoup pour cette présentation en anglais des différents produits, des nouveautés que l'entreprise de Trevo a au Cameroun à travers BioLife. Il nous a présenté le FP3 pour la libido féminine, les femmes qui ont les problèmes de frigidité, les problèmes de faiblesse sexuelle, les problèmes de satisfaction, les problèmes d'atteindre l'orgasme. Nous les recommandons de prendre le FP3. Il y a également le RP3 pour hommes, pour la prostate, la libido, la testostérone, l'endurance et la vitalité sexuelle, et aussi pour la fertilité. Il nous a ici parlé sur le SHIP, qui est un excellent produit de la nouvelle technologie pour perdre efficacement le poids et réduire le mauvais cholestérol. Nous pouvons vous assurer qu'on a les témoignages dessus. Il nous a parlé également de le super produit, le grand super produit appelé le Trevo, 174 ingrédients, 373 000 scores antioxydants, restaure, renouvelle et revitalise toutes les cellules du corps et traite maintenant les maladies métaboliques, hypertension, cancer, diabète ou d'autres maladies qui découlent du vieillissement cellulaire. Alors, il nous a parlé également du SHIELD, le SHIELD pour lutter contre le paludisme, traiter la malaria, le virus Zika et prévenir les maladies liées aux piqûres de moustiques et booster l'immunité contre toute autre attaque. Alors, si vous avez des questions, n'hésitez pas à nous contacter pour commander vos produits, pour avoir les informations sur les produits. Nous sommes disponibles pour pouvoir présenter cela. Merci, à bientôt pour l'autre direct. Nous allons vous présenter très prochainement de façon plus détaillée ces différents produits et leurs actions sur l'organisme et leur composition. 100% naturel, Trevo and BioLife, l'espoir renaît, Trevo people and happy people.
Stay healthy, stay wealthy. Thank you.
Thank you.